Hi guys, Lee here from Trading College. Let's take a little look at the Pro Trade System results. We've not done that for a little while. We're going to look at the stock market indices here as well, but mainly we're going to look at some of these FX pairs because the last couple of weeks has been really interesting. If you look at the German DAX here, we had a Pro Trade System buy. Now here's our Pro Trade System on our chart. Here's our storyteller down below. Pro Trade System had a buy at 12,371. Now, once we got that first red and then it turned to green, we knew we were going to go long because it was making a higher low. So what we're doing all the time here at Trading College with our systems and our colors is basically we're looking at structure of trends, which is easy to understand, higher highs and higher lows, and then we're getting in with the signal with the Pro Trade System. Now, these numbers here are generated automatically with the algorithm. We're not putting any human input whatsoever into those profit targets. There's a profit target here at 12,963.8 that pretty much got hit today, being Wednesday morning. So that's a nice 400 point profitable trade in the last several days. And next profit target is 13,748. Do we know we're going to get there? We have no idea whatsoever, but that's what we're shooting for, guys. We're going to turn on our trailing stop feature with the Pro Trade System and see if we can get all the way up there. Because if you can hang on to those bigger trades and get better at doing that, hanging on to those big moves, you're going to grow that account tremendously. Okay, so let's take a little look at the Pro Trade System results, latest live results with the radar here, and you can take a little look. This is live. As you can see, on the right hand side here, the P&L is actually moving in real time. The markets are over here, the currency markets on the left, long trend or short trend here. Obviously, long trend means that you had a green buy. 3 here means how many days in the trade. So euro dollar's been long for 3 days. We're down about 35 points on that. Cable the same really as well, because we've had a bit of a sell-off in the dollar index. Now the dollar yen here, 473 pip move in 18 days. Let's take a little look at that. So let's go have a little look at the dollar yen. What a lovely move higher here, guys. Beating and pushing through all profit targets, continues to go. Now I think we're going to get to 150. Now we're going to wait for a red PTS. If we get a red, that means exit the trade. Okay, but while we're in green mode, we're still long on this market. 475 pips, and it's the yen, well, Aussie dollar short side trade for 26 days up 442 pips. The yens, the euro yen 265. Dollar CAD just starting off a new trade. Euro sterling down 78. Dollar Swissy been really strong, 232 pips profit on that. But if we just scroll down here slightly, it's these yen pairs right down in this zone here that have all been long. 473 pips, 266, 46, 154, 239 pips move. Now remember, something goes 200 points times, multiply that by your position size. Let's say £10. Let's just say you're up £2,000. You do £1 a point, you're up £200. Okay, in a spread betting account. But really nice indeed. And these New Zealand pairs as well, just starting at New Zealand yen, 206 pips profit. Okay, so we've got some New Zealand long trades kicking in as well. Also good with the radar as well here. It just gives you a heads up that all the currencies, i.e. all of the British pounds here, are in a long trend. All of the yens were short in, but against the yen, we're all in a long trade. So when you get all the markets against one particular currency pushing in that direction, i.e. the yen's long here, then it's very much weakness in the yen, and you're going to see probably a big move setting up. All right, so been really nice indeed. Trading, swing trading's been absolutely fantastic, and the day trading. I've had so many great kickbacks and reviews regarding the 10 to 100 grand in 6 months day trading session, guys. And we did some good stuff today as well on the crude oil. We had a lovely move. Oil's been in a down move, but today, we got some really nice sell-offs, and then we got some nice buy signals here on the 5-minute chart. We took some of those as well. This was the move from oil this morning. Oil's a great market trade. We had sell signals, so we shorted earlier this morning in the European session market move. So we're looking for that early morning move. Got short on the oil market, which was a really nice move to the downside. We were talking about 50 points profit on the first one. And then it was this low. We found the storyteller extended. We got new pro trend system buy signals, and this thing just hit profit target. I am shooting for 83.31. I am still long this market. So hopefully it will hit the profit target 83.31, which is generated by the pro trend system here. All right, so hope it helps, guys. That's a little bit of structure, a little bit of results on the pro trend system. If you're finding it a little bit tough at the moment, well, we're pretty much keeping it really simple here at Trading College with our systems and our colors. I think sometimes you look at so much information, you get so overwhelmed as a trader because you're trying to grab all resources and all information from several places. For us, it's all charting, it's all keeping it simple. We're looking at the colors because the algorithm and the pro trend system and our other indicators have done all the work for us. If you want to speak to Chris, give Chris a call. He's our course advisor. Click on the link below, guys, and hopefully see you soon on the next market update. Take care.